2 decades ago, DC Comics launched an ambitious imprint meant to rival Marvel's then thriving Ultimate Universe. The All-Star line was conceived as a platform for big-name creators to deliver definitive, prestige interpretations of iconic heroes, free from continuity constraints and production deadlines. In theory, it was a dream project for both fans and creators. In practice, it became remembered for 2 titles, one celebrated as among DC's greatest works and another infamous for its shortcomings. The All-Star concept. Marvel's Ultimate line had attracted fresh readers by retelling origins in a modern, accessible way. DC's counterproposal avoided rebooting its universe entirely. Instead, each All-Star series would tell self-contained stories rooted in existing history, allowing creative teams to work without the burden of aligning to a shared canon. The approach was designed to spotlight character essence rather than reintroduce them from scratch. The 2 launch titles. In 2005, the imprint debuted with All-Star Batman and Robin, The Boy Wonder by Frank Miller and Jim Lee, and All-Star Superman by Grant Morrison and Frank Quitely. Anticipation was high, but reception could not have been more different. Miller's Batman and Robin offered a grim, hyper-stylized take on the Dark Knight's early years and Robin's origin. Its exaggerated grit and abrasive tone alienated many readers, leading to a reputation as one of the more polarizing Batman portrayals in history. Plans for follow-up miniseries were eventually scrapped. Conversely, Morrison's All-Star Superman became a modern classic. Rather than rehashing an origin, it crafted a 12-issue farewell tour for the Man of Steel, blending Silver Age wonder with heartfelt character moments. Universally acclaimed, it distilled everything essential about Superman into a single work, a love letter to the hero's legacy. Unrealized projects and quiet cancellation. The imprint was meant to expand, with projects like All-Star Wonder Woman by Adam Hughes, All-Star Batgirl by Jeff Johns and J.G. Jones, and a rumored Green Lantern series featuring Jon Stewart. Creative delays, disinterest, and the negative fallout from Batman and Robin led to their quiet cancellation. With only 2 published titles, All-Star quickly faded. Lasting influence. Despite its brief life, the imprint left an enduring mark. All-Star Superman influenced films, TV adaptations, and was reprinted globally, while All-Star Batman and Robin became a case study in divisive storytelling. Lessons from the line shaped DC's later experimental imprints like Earth 1 and the current Absolute Universe. All-Star may have been a short-lived experiment, but its legacy lives on. A reminder that bold creative swings can produce both enduring triumphs and unforgettable missteps.